Hi guys, good morning. I'm here. Today we're going to cook for you creamy chicken pasta. This is a Filipino style, guys. As of now, this crisis is very hard. Even if me, oh my goodness. Still, I'm running out of my budget and my money. Oh my God. Hope this crisis is getting over. Here are our red bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrots, butter. We need broth cubes, onion. We have also garlic. Here are garlic, bay leaf, dry bay leaf, sausage, potatoes, evaporated milk, mushroom, salt for taste, pepper, and chili. Our main ingredients is chicken. As of now, I'm running out of money, guys. So I choose of these ingredients because these ingredients is very cheap in the supermarket. So guys, let's go and cut all of the ingredients. After I will cutting and preparing everything. Oh, I have a mess now here in the kitchen. And we wait until it will be hot and we put it our butter. Here are now our butter, and I think our pan is ready. Garlic be a golden brown. Okay. Here. After I put onion, we will put now our chicken. And we leave it for a few minutes. We add now a few water for our chicken to boil, okay? I don't know, but as of now, I choose the very cheap ingredients for this chicken pastel because not only me, we have a lots of people also stuck in the house because of don't have the company is closed. So I don't know what will happen after few weeks. Oh, it's horrible, but guys, as of now, maybe it's better to dance. We forgot our problem. I cry in the because of the onion. I think the water is upside down now. We need to add more water for our vegetables, but guys, don't add too much. Just estimate the water. We put our bay leaf now here. Leave it for boiling and boiling. The smell is very good now. After the water upside down, we need to put our potato. Guys, don't put lots of water, okay? Because we have milk after. We will add now a mushroom, okay? This is a mushroom. Time now to add our carrots. Okay? Sausage. Here now we can add our milk. Okay? And let it to boil. I'm just thinking that I put the name of chicken pastel, but I don't know what's mean of pastel. But I know pastel came from Spanish, so I don't know why pastel. Here it is now our chicken pastel. Okay, here now. Ooh, it smells yummy. It looks creamy, so we can add now our bell pepper, okay, for the last ingredients. Guys, I think this our chicken is ready, and we turn off the fire, okay? Masarap po siya, promise po. Lagyan nyo po ng maraming sili po. Put lots of But it's depend to you. The chili, it's nice if spicy. So here now, we finish now. Bakit po tinawag siya na pastel? Hindi ko rin po kasi alam eh. We taste now our chicken pastel. I'm excited also. Delicious. And so spicy. I like it. With this our chicken. So creamy and so tasty. Guys, you will love it. It's very cheap.